I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to use Ledger with Phantom Wallet. Plug your Ledger into the computer and unlock it with your PIN, then open Phantom and choose Connect Hardware Wallet. Follow on-screen prompts to select the Solana account on Ledger and approve the connection. Double-check the address in Phantom matches the one shown on your Ledger. Keep your recovery phrase secure and never share it with websites or strangers. In this video, I will show how to use Ledger with Phantom Wallet. After connecting, add or create accounts in Phantom while keeping Ledger as the signer for transactions. Always verify transaction details and recipient addresses on the Ledger device before approving. For added safety, limit approvals to the exact amounts you intend to send and avoid connecting to unknown dApps. Regularly update firmware and extension to minimize security risks. In this video, I will show how to use Ledger with Phantom Wallet. Quick recommendation: if you want a simple way to add voice and music to your workspace, consider the Echo Dot smart speaker for crisp sound and helpful timers. It pairs nicely with a tidy desk while you manage wallets and transactions. If you want the best deals, check the description for the link and other offers. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to use Ledger with Phantom Wallet. Use Phantom to generate or copy your public address when you need to receive funds, and confirm it on Ledger when possible. When sending, enter the recipient and amount, then review network fees and transaction details. Approve the transaction physically on your Ledger to finalize signing. Keep records of transaction ID for tracking and verify balances after confirmations on the Blockchain Explorer.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.